morning, good morning, good morning. I've just picked my bike back up. Really happy. New suspension, all feels good. But I just need to quickly do something before I leave. So, rather an excellent motovlog channel that I subscribe to, which is Saddlebags73, started a bit of a challenge recently and placed one of my channel stickers on a spot in Cornwall, close to the Devon border, and put a challenge out to another motovlogger, Epic Adam Motovlogs, to come down and defile and deface my stickers. I can't believe it. Absolutely devastated. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to issue another challenge to Epic Adam. If he thinks that I'm going to let this lie, I'm going to pop this sticker, one of my channel stickers, on the JHS racing sign in Bristol. Now JHS, for anybody who doesn't know, is the engineering centre that's used by 44 Teeth on their YouTube channel. So Adam, if you think you're up for it, have a little ride up here and defile that one for me. But I am now going to go for a ride and test out Luigi's new suspension, which has just been serviced by Unity Road Motorcycles. Come and join me, shall you? Sorry, a little cross-contamination there. First of all, the bike feels weird, and for a bike with no fairing, I have no wind noise. That I cannot get my head round, quite literally. Front end feels quite good, which is nice. Oh yeah, we're back on the V-twin. I like that. First of all, I don't know how this is going to sound. I'm having to use a different mic because I had a problem with the mic I used on yesterday's trip, where the right channel just kept cutting out all the time and it was causing clicking and dropped dialogue and just generally bad sound quality. I managed to get around it by just putting it as a mono channel and just using the left channel, but I don't want to keep doing that, so I've tried a new mic. I don't know how it sounds, but we'll see how we get on. But right, Unity Road Motorcycles, those guys have been brilliant. Obviously I only just got on the bike, I don't know, although saying that, it's just come up to a stop and it hasn't dived anywhere near as much as it was doing before, so they've done a good job. They've sorted my forks out, new seals, good service, all done, fantastic price, and I mean a fantastic price, less than half of the main dealer quote that I had. And go and see them. They are really nice guys, a good team, a lot of experience, great premises, and I fully recommend them. Oh, it's nice to get back on this. It feels normal again. Okay, that's an interesting bit of driving there. Not quite sure what was going on. He could have just used the roundabout like normal people. going to do is actually go down the 37, join the 39, then come down into Cheddar. Those twisties there will give me a much better suspension test than just a straight route back. Nice Triumph, straight triple. That seems pretty planted in corners. There's no shudder that I was getting before. And it seems a lot firmer as well, which is good. It's a lot more firm. I don't know. Don't want the grammar police getting on to me, do I? What an absolute pearler of a day. So good. This afternoon I shall be frequenting the Weston-super-Mare Food Festival. I say food, I mean drink. But they serve food, apparently, as well as drink. So I shall have a couple, and the biggest, greasiest, dirtiest burger you can find. Nice sweeping left-hander, front end holding beautifully, actually offering me more. That is dreamy. Okay, so the bike feels good, the suspension feels good. I'm going to take a few corners now down towards Cheddar. So I suspect I will leave you with some cheesy musical montage of tarmac and turns. Stay safe, guys. Look after yourselves. Look after each other. Please like, share, subscribe any of my videos. I don't care which. And I will catch you guys on the flip side. Yeah, the front end's feeling much more planted, man.